Hi, I'm Chris from Far Eyes Furniture, and this is the 72-inch 18-drawer mobile workbench with solid wood top from Husky. This thing looks great in a powder-coated black glossy finish, and when you get your hands on it, you can tell it's serious with heavy-duty all-welded 21-gauge steel construction, a 1-inch thick solid wood work surface with protective coating, and 18 full extension drawers, 14 of which are rated at 100 pounds each, leaving the 4 remaining deeper drawers rated at 200 pounds each. A dual locking system provides extra security and the ability to lock the top drawers and bottom drawers independently from one another. And premium drawer liners do a great job of ensuring that your items stay put while opening and closing the drawers or moving this thing around your workspace. Speaking of that, despite this workbench's large size, it's still relatively easy for one person to move it around, and that's thanks to 6 5-inch swivel casters and this really convenient handle. And when you don't want it to go anywhere, the 4 casters at the corners have these built-in brakes to make sure that it'll stay put. Another really convenient aspect of this bench is the 6-outlet power center, which is built right into the side, and even features 2 USB sockets. So if you're looking to organize your tools, or you're in need of some extra storage, definitely check out the 72-inch mobile workbench from Husky.